Wabara says that a man asked Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu, I have worn the ihram for pilgrimage. Can I perform circumambulation? He said, what prevents you from doing it? He said, I have seen the son of so and so, who declared it odious, and you are dearer to us than he. We have observed that the love of world has rendered him unmindful. Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, who is among us and you whom the love of world has not rendered unmindful? He then said, we witnessed that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam donned the pilgrim garb, performed the circumambulation of Allah's house, marched between Safa and Marwa, and the practice of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam more deserves to be followed than that of the son of so and so, whom you have mentioned, provided you are true in your claim about Islam. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2988.